man, me there, man. Me there, you know, in the bathroom, me there. Yeah, man, you think, Mono catch up? No, you know, you. Me there, man. Me say me get a new bike, you see, dog. The bike fast. Yeah, man, the bike fast, man. Yeah, man, me I go touch the road later. Babe! Hold on there. Babe! Hey, babe. You alright? How you do? Yes, I am going to wash. I'm going to wash some clothes. Alright, me soon come out. Yeah, man, me I touch the road later, man. Brand new bike. Then me no must flash. Babe! Babe! It does smell bad. Can I put bleach in the colored clothes? Hello? Every morning I have to come in here and clean this kitchen. Every morning. Baby, me just done enough. Yo! What you do? Babe, what does it look like I am doing? I am cleaning the glass cup with Windex. Listen to me. Listen. Do not bother me piece in here today. You hear me? Yo, Windex can wash plate? Hold on. So, I don't see you use the same Windex clean every glass in the house. Why can't I use it clean the glass cup? You know what? Wash your plate with the Windex. Me tell myself today, me tell myself say me nah get mad. Whatever. Me nah make you mess up my day today. Me I go check for my bike. Baby, I have something to tell you. Listen, me no want hear nothing from you. Me I go check for my bike. Nothing me no. As me say, do what you do with your Windex, I don't care. Me go check for my bike. Yo. Baby, no, babe. What you do to me bike? Babe, it was an accident, baby. It was an accident. Me didn't tell you got trouble it. No, babe, it looks so pretty. I just wanted to try. Babe,